tutorial, and I want to show you a good quality camera. Now, this camera is just my regular vlog camera that I use. I uploaded a few videos today. This video, this video is just kind of a quality that I use on my camera. So we're gonna do this video. This quality is not that good. It's good enough for the YouTube. Okay, so I have quality right here. Quality. Yeah. I don't use that stuff. Don't do that. Don't do that stuff. But my good quality stuff is this. If you want to I'm going to show you the quality camera. It's not my camera or anything. I got an empty case. They let me get out my empty case. But yes, this is one of the good quality. They let me get an empty case. Yes, so that's just empty. Also, it's good quality. Sorry, it's like really tired. To save your videos, in case you want to put them on this disk, you download this in here. These are good qualities. You buy these at your local store anyway. They're really good quality for your cameras. Webboot, secure anywhere. Show documents because it's 100% stuff, and everything. So some good quality stuff. Yeah, and maybe I'll test a new camera one day. Just won't test it out tonight because I'm kind of excited. I might go to bed like any minute now after in this vlog and upload it. So, wow.